Welcome back students, standard 10th revision session, chapter 168. This is part 3. So I'm getting plenty of difficulties and that is good sign, that shows that you all are working. Okay, fine. So let's proceed further with difficulties. Ishita, she has asked two questions which were asked in the test. Okay, question number 16 and 19. Alright, so 16 is here and 19 is here. This was 19. Ishita, both should have been done by you. Ye aana chahiye. Alright. Anyway, let's see the 16th one first. Right? Left hand side. I'll write. Left hand side. That is sine theta plus sec theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosec theta whole square. Now you watch the right hand side, children. It is also in terms of sec and cosec. Or whole square to hai. So what can we do here? Sec and cosec is already there. And this sine can be converted into cosec. Cos can be converted into sec. So can we do that? Yes, let's do that. That is equal to whole square. Sine is 1 upon cosec theta plus, you may write sec theta upon 1 plus whole square. Cos is 1 upon sec theta plus cosec theta whole upon 1. So now if you look at this right hand side, the expression, it is totally in terms of sec and cos. Lekin, ab hame ye result lana hai. Let's go for LCM. We are going to work indoors. Corona hai na? Remain indoors. So, मेरा मतलब स्क्वायर के अंदर ही काम करेंगे, होल स्क्वायर वैसा ही रखेंगे. कॉसेक और 1 का एलसीएम इज कॉसेक थीटा. ऑलराइट, सो हियर कॉसेक इंटू 1, करेक्ट, एंड 1 इंटू कॉसेक. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट यू विल हैव, 1 इंटू 1 इज 1 प्लस cosec into sec, that will be cosec theta into sec theta, little less space, right, plus whole square, I'm taking more space here, this time again sec and 1, so LCM is sec theta, so here 1 and here sec theta. Okay, now 1 into 1 is 1 plus cosec into sec, so that is sec theta into cosec theta. Alright, so that is equal to, children, split this. 1 plus, I am writing sec theta into cosec theta, alright, whole square upon cosec square theta. Same way, 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta whole square upon sec square theta. Children, this is common in the two terms, और वही हमें चाहिए. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta whole square is common. So what is left in the bracket? 1 upon cosec square theta plus 1 upon sec square theta. Alright, तो right hand side is already achieved. ये extra आया, वो उसका क्या होगा? होगा ना children? Let's see. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta whole square. बोलो, cosec is reciprocal of sine. So 1 upon cosec is sine, but 1 upon cosec square will be sine square theta. Same way, sec is reciprocal of cos. So 1 upon sec is cos, but it is 1 upon sec square. So it will be cos square. Correct? That is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta whole square into 1. Because sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. That is the identity. So 1 into this bracket remains the same. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta whole square. And that is RHS. Proved. Clear to you, children? Understood? Alright. Now the next one. Children, I've just made a minor change. जो proof था, इसके लिए substitution. और okay, उसके लिए substitution क्या? Where should I write? Here, a raised to 6 plus b raised to 6 is whole cube. किसका? इसका स्क्वायर का, a square plus b square minus 3 a square b square. All right, and then you have substitution for this. ये इसके लिए भी substitution है. This is a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. That is whole square. किसका? a square plus b square minus 2a square b square. Use this deduced results, children, and you will get it. चलिए, left hand side 2 times sine raised to 6 alpha plus cos raised to 6 alpha minus 3 times sine raised to 4 alpha plus cos raised to 4 alpha और आगे है plus 4. This is equal to 2 into, say this now, a raised to 6 plus b raised to 6. That is whole cube. ये लार्ज ब्रैकेट में यहां a की जगह पे साइन है, सो a स्क्वायर की जगह पे साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा, b स्क्वायर की जगह पे cos स्क्वायर अल्फा माइनस 3 a स्क्वायर विल बी साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा, b स्क्वायर विल बी cos स्क्वायर अल्फा, लार्ज ब्रैकेट. ठीक है. देन व्हाट यू हैव फर्दर? minus 3. So minus 3. And now you have substitution for this. a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. ये large bracket. a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4. a square plus b square whole square. Whole square. a is sine. So a square will be sine square. b square will be cos square. और आगे क्या है? minus 2a square b square. So minus 2 sine square alpha into cos square alpha. और आगे क्या है? plus 4. That's it. Now distribute. This is equal to 2 into sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 cube minus 3 sine square cos square, I'm writing in brief, minus 3 into sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 square minus 2 sine square into cos square or plus 4. This is 2 into 1 minus 3 sine square cos square minus 3 into 1 square is 1 minus 2 sine square cos square plus 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 sine square cos square with different signs, so minus 3 1s are 3 different signs, so minus 3 2s are 6 sine square cos square minus minus becomes plus और बाहर है plus minus 6 sine square cos square plus 6 sine square cos square 2 plus 4 that is 6 और ये minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. There you are. That is equal to RHS and proved. Clear to you, children? Sure? Okay? Fine. Alright, children. This is, difficulty asked by Amit. Well, I explained to him on the phone and he was successful in solving this. But I thought it is a good one and should share with you all. So, let's see. Now see children, I have already written something here. Actually, I have recorded without switching on the record button. Alright, so I'll explain this again. Tan theta is equal to 12 upon 13, that is given here, correct? And you have to find the value of this expression 2 sin theta upon cos square minus sin square theta, okay? 2 sin theta into cos theta whole upon cos square minus sin square. तो tan theta इक्वल टू 12 अपॉन 13, तो ये मेथड एक यूज कर सकते हैं क्या कि राइट ट्राइंगल में थीटा बोल दो, ऑपोजिट साइड tan थीटा इज ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट, सो ऑपोजिट 12 और एडजेसेंट 13, पाइथागोरस से ये ढूंढ लो, फिर साइन ढूंढो, कॉस ढूंढो, पुट द वैल्यू एंड देन सिंप्लीफाई एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द होल एक्सप्रेशन. बट दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी, इट विल बी टायर्डसम, energy wasting, all right, and also boring. Well, the other method is you got 10, so you can use 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. So you will get sec, sec will give you cos, and cos square plus sin square equal to 1, so cos will give you sin. Then you can put the value of cos and sin. It will be similar journey to what we have seen in the first method. So there is one more method, and there is a trick that we are going to use. Why can't you convert this, which is in terms of sin and cos, into tan? You can do that. So I have written that expression 2 sin theta into cos theta whole upon cos square minus sin square. Okay. So how to convert into tan? Now look here. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. जो नीचे है वो देखो cos theta. So you should be dividing by cos. लेकिन यहां तो square form में, so divide by cos square. 2 sin theta into cos theta. दैट इज न्यूमरेटर, करेक्ट, ये, और ये cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now see children, what wonderful work we are doing here, dividing that numerator by not cos square theta, तो ये भी cos square theta. Okay, so एक cos cancel, so you got 2 into sin theta upon cos theta whole upon, अब नीचे क्या है देख लो, cos square upon cos square, स्प्लिट करो, cos square theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos square theta, that is equal to 2 by sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta whole upon cos square plus cos square upon cos square is 1 and sin square upon cos square is tan square theta. There you are. 1, 2 और 3 स्टेप में आपको tan theta में पूरा एक्सप्रेशन 10 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Now put the value 2 into tan theta, that is 12 upon 13. Yeah, ये whole upon का डिवीजन साइन यूज करो, 1, so that is 1 upon 1 minus 10 square, not 10, 10 square. So 12 upon 13 का स्क्वायर 1 upon 44 upon 1 upon 144 whole upon 169. 12 का स्क्वायर 144, 13 का 169. So that is 24 upon 13 divided by, let's go for LCM, 169 and it's here 1. 169 ones are 169 minus 1 into 144 is 144. That is 24 upon 13. I'm converting division into multiplication. So 169 goes up, क्योंकि रेसिप्रोकल करना है. 169 minus 144 is 25. कुछ कैंसल होगा 13 1s are 13, 13s are 169. Now 24 into 13, 0, 4, 2, 12, 1, 7, 2, 1, 3. So that is 312 upon 25. So this is the value. Children, just imagine फर्स्ट मेथड या सेकंड मेथड जो मैंने बोला था, यदि आप वो मेथड से करते तो कितना लंबा हो जाता, राइट? सो दिस ट्रिक इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. सो समटाइम्स yes, you can transform this as per the requirement, as per the demand. I hope you have understood this, and this is the nice one to solve as a difficulty. Good. Proceeding further. Yes, now we have difficulty from Virali. All right, it's from assignment 8.2, sum number 15 and 30. The first one. Children, you have to make correction here. यह थोड़ा सा error है. Yes, यदि यही रखेंगे तो you will get minus 31 upon 4. ये जो आंसर 1 upon 4 नहीं आएगा, minus 31 upon 4 आंसर आएगा. And if you have got minus 31 upon 4, you are correct. अब ये सम देने में थोड़ी गड़बड़ हुई थी. The bracket starts with tan square and closes with cot square. और ये ब्रैकेट नहीं है. Now you will get 1 upon 4. Let's do it. Left hand side. This is number 15. 2 into cos raised to 460 plus sin raised to 430 minus tan square 60 plus cot square 45 or plus 3 sec square 30. That is equal to 2 into cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Please see that. Raised to half plus sin 30 is also 1 upon 2 whole raised to 4 minus tan 60 is root 3 उसका स्क्वायर, cot 45 is 1 उसका स्क्वायर plus 3 into sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3 whole square. Okay, that is equal to 2 into, yes, 1 and fourth power of 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus same 1 upon 16 minus this will be 3 and this will be 1 plus 3 into 2 upon, sorry, it's 4. 2 square will be 4 and root 3 square is 3. 3 3 cancels. That is equal to 2 into, like denominator 16 same ही है, सीधा प्लस करो 1 plus 1 माइनस ये 4 है और ये प्लस 4 है ना, माइनस 4 और ये प्लस 4, माइनस 4 प्लस 4 गॉन. So that is 2 into 2 upon 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is 1 upon 4 and that is RHS proved. Clear to you? Okay, fine. Okay, there is one more. here sine 4a into sec a minus 20 is equal to 1. Children, this is interesting. कब 1 आता है? साइन के साथ कब 1 आता है? इफ साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉसेक थीटा तब 1 आता है. या सेक के साथ कब 1 आता है? सेक थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा हो तो 1 आता है. देन टेन थीटा इंटू कॉट थीटा हो तो 1 आता है. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू आइडेंटिटी इज 1 इन दिस 3 केसेस. तो एक काम करते हैं, यू नो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ साइन इज कॉस और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ 4a विल बी 90 माइनस 4a इंटू, इसको नहीं चेंज करते, सेक इंटू a माइनस 20 इज इक्वल टू 1. नाउ सी दिस, कॉस थीटा इंटू सेक थीटा, कॉस थीटा इंटू सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 है, इज इक्वल टू 1. उसका मतलब ये जो थीटा है, एंगल है, दे आर इक्वल, i.e. 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 because cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. ये जब एंगल इक्वल हो, ओके, इनटू है. Therefore, yes, 90 plus 20 is equal to a plus 4a. Therefore, 110 is equal to 5a. i.e. 110 upon 5 is equal to a. 5 twos are 5 twos are. Therefore, a is equal to 22. So find the value of a. It is 22. Clear to you, children? Sure. So here we come with more difficulties. Again it is from Virali. Alright. Chaliye. First one. Yeah, it is from assignment and these are objective questions. Alright. What is the value of 6 tan square delta माइनस 6 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर डेल्टा? चिल्ड्रन, ये कोई टीटा वीटा की जगह पे दे दिया, अल्फा बीटा गैमा की जगह है. वो तो सेम एंगल, वो टीटा कुछ सिंबल है विच रिप्रेजेंट सम रियल नंबर. दैट इज व्हाट वी लर्न. इट इज एन एक्यूट एंगल. ऑलराइट. सो नाइन्थ वन, जो नाइन्थ है आपका असाइनमेंट में, 6 tan स्क्वायर डेल्टा माइनस 6 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर डेल्टा. दैट इज 6 tan square delta minus 6 into reciprocal of cos is sec. यहां cos square है, so we can write sec square alpha a, it's delta, sec square delta. Now 6 is common, bracket में tan square delta minus sec square delta, that is equal to 6 into what? Let's see, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. बराबर देख लो चिल्ड्रन, यहां से आपको tan स्क्वायर माइनस सेक्स स्क्वायर चाहिए, सो ये सेक्स स्क्वायर को आपको यहां ले जाना पड़ेगा, देन यू विल गेट tan स्क्वायर माइनस सेक्स स्क्वायर. सो ये 1 को राइट में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, सो इट बिकम्स माइनस 1. सो इसकी जगह पे माइनस 1 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6. सो दिस आंसर इज माइनस 6. क्लियर टू यू चिल्ड्रन? श्योर? गुड. मूविंग टू दिस. Once again, this is called psi. उसको psi बोलते हैं. थीटा की जगह पे एक बोल दिया psi. अभी क्या दिया है? साइन स्क्वायर psi इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर psi इंटू 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर psi इंटू 1 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर psi इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा. ओके, साइन स्क्वायर psi इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर psi. चिल्ड्रन, ये ब्रैकेट में 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर, बोलो 1 plus tan square is sec square psi. ये 1 plus cos square into that is cosec square psi, right? That is equal to lambda, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta and 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. ये reason, alright? Now sin square into cosec square is 1. Or cos square into, okay, that is, okay, let me write sin psi into cosec psi whole square into cos psi into sec psi whole square. That is equal, okay, sorry, equation is there. So that is equal to lambda. Sin into cosec is 1, 1 into cos into sec is 1, 1 square is equal to lambda, i.e. lambda is equal to 1 into 1 and that is 1. So the value of lambda is 1. Clear to you? Sure? Okay. Next one. Cos square a minus cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a is equal to, देख लीजिए, cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a. This is a square minus b square form children. तो आपको a plus b और a minus b फैक्टर मिलेंगे, लेकिन cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. So that is cos square a plus sin square a into cos square a minus sin square a. Right? Cos square plus sin square is 1 into cos square a minus sin square a. So you got cos square a minus sin square a. But in the option you don't have that. cos square a minus sin square a है ही नहीं, सिर्फ cos square है, सिर्फ cos square है, या सिर्फ sin square है, या सिर्फ sin square है. क्या करें चिल्ड्रन? व्हाट टू डू? एक काम करते हैं चिल्ड्रन, एक ट्रांसफॉर्म दिस इनटू cos square. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू cos square a माइनस, ब्रैकेट लिखना पड़ेगा है, व्हाट इज sin square? 1 minus cos square a, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So ये आपका जो cos sin square था 1 minus cos square, open the bracket, cos square a minus 1, ये बन गया plus cos square a. So that gives you cos square plus cos square 2 cos square a minus 1. क्या है क्या? Yes, 2 cos square a minus 1 मिल गया. सपोज ये भी नहीं मिलता तो फिर इससे ट्राई करना पड़ता. इंस्टेड ऑफ cos स्क्वायर यू कैन राइट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर है, ब्रैकेट की जरूरत नहीं है, और माइनस साइन स्क्वायर है, तो आंसर मिलता 1 माइनस माइनस साइन स्क्वायर माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर है. तो ये आइदर द आंसर इज दिस और दिस. ऑलराइट, ओके. लेकिन यहां 2 साइन स्क्वायर माइनस 1 दिया, 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर इज डिफरेंट. सो ये नहीं है. ऑलराइट, सॉरी ये है, ये नहीं है. सो आंसर इज बी. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर टू यू. चलिए, विल प्रोसीड फर्दर. ऑलराइट, एंड solve the difficulty of Neha. Neha has difficulty from chapter 1, assignment number 12. Yes, Neha, I don't have to do this for you, but so that you know I have solved your difficulties. Same question I have solved in yesterday's session part 2. So you can see that. Alright, somebody else also had same difficulty and I solved it yesterday. So you can watch part 2. In that you will get the solution of this. So I hope your problem is solved. Alright. Now last but not the least for this session, it's difficulty from Dhruvi. Dhruvi, again this is solved in the video. It is solved beta. Alright. So if you see the video, you can get it from there. However, I am going to solve it right now. Not completely. I won't be writing. I will be just explaining to you. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC. देखो, this is triangle ABC. Side AB ये, side AC ये, and median AD. A और D मुझे मिड पॉइंट लेना पड़ेगा. And show symbolically BD equal to CD and draw AD. All right. Are respectively proportional. Oh, they are respectively proportional to side PQ. मतलब AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR, and median AD is proportional to median PM. चलो ये थोड़ा छोटा ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करूंगा. एक साइड लंबी और एक बड़ी ड्रॉ करनी चाहिए आपको. PQR और यहां मीडियन है PR. P से स्टार्ट करो. सॉरी, मीडियन इज PM. सो P or M will be the midpoint of QR. Is that clear to you? Now, AB PQ, AC PR, and AD PM, they are proportional. So, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to median AD upon median PM. This is 1 by data. Alright? AB, AC median of triangle ABC are proportional to PQ, PR and median PN of triangle PQR. So how do you write? AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PN. Chaliye children, show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Children, ये बहुत ही लेंदी है, बहुत लंबा है children. How to show that now? Alright? तो यहां कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ता है. You have to produce AD to E. Alright? Such that AD equal to DE. Same way, you have to produce PM to S such that MS is equal to PM. Then complete this. If you look, the diagonals bisect each other. So this is a parallelogram. So you get AC equal to BE and EC equal to AB. Same way, this is also a parallelogram. So you get PR equal to QS and this PQ is equal to RS. Alright? Okay? So now you have to show that these two triangles are equal. Children, see what you got now. AB upon PQ, okay, is equal to, see this, AB upon PQ, correct? AB upon PQ is equal to, what you got? AC upon PR, correct? AC upon PR. But AC is what? BE. You see this? So in place of AC, I am writing BE upon. And in place of PR, I am writing QS. In place of PR, I am writing QS. Alright? That is equal to AD upon PM. But I am multiplying and dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. Right? Now, 2 times AD is AE. Because this is midpoint. We produce AD to E such that AD equal to DE. So D is midpoint. So AD, double of AD is AE. So in this place I write AE. I am writing directly. उसी तरह 2 times PM की जगह पे PS. आपको ऐसा नहीं लिखना है तो ये लिखो AB upon PQ is equal to BE upon QS is equal to. अब आपको पास AD है ना, AD is half of AE, correct? Then down you have PM. PM is half of PS. So half of PS. This cancels. So now in these two triangles, AB upon PQ, here it is equal to BE upon QS. Here it is equal to AE upon PS. Here it is. So these two triangles are equal, children. है ना? The two triangles are equal. अब ये, sorry, not equal, but they are similar. By SSS. By SSS. So you get angle A equal to angle P. So children, what you got? This triangle is similar to this triangle. Correct? So corresponding angle by CPCT, these two angles are equal. Children, similarly, you can show, आपको एक ही वर्ड में सेंटेंस में लिखना है. Similarly, you can show that triangle AEC is similar to triangle PSR. So you got this angle equal to this angle. ये दोनों का टोटल करो, यूक्लिड्स प्रॉपर्टी. सो ये पूरा एंगल दिस प्लस दिस विल बी इक्वल टू दिस प्लस दिस. सो यू गॉट एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल पी. और ये कंडीशन तो है ही, ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए सी अपॉन पी आर. देखो ए और पी इंक्लूडिंग एंगल है. सो बाय एस ए एस कंडीशन ट्राइंगल एबीसी इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. I don't know how much you have understood because मैंने बहुत quickly किया. Okay, but if you want to see it, see in the video, it's already solved. Okay, so till we meet in the next session, goodbye. Please send your difficulties. Bye bye.